How to uninstall Zangi app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall this application. First of all, open your settings. Now here on the top, you can see the search bar. Search for apps. So it will pop up in the top. Now here, you'll be able to see this apps option. Tap on it. Here, tap on manage apps. So again in the search bar, search for Zangi. So it will take some time to search it. So as you can see, this has popped up. Now tap on Zangi. So make sure this is the right application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this uninstall button. Tap on this uninstall button. So before uninstalling it, make sure you have retrained all your data and information from this application. So after doing that, you can tap on OK. So it will take some time and this application will be completely uninstalled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.